Hello friends, welcome to this week in Word Study's Word Study Test for letter feature P, sort 11. Please listen carefully as I read to you 10 words from your list, and at the end we will have 2 curveball words that follow the pattern for this week. Let's begin. Number 1, celebration. After school today, we are having a birthday celebration for my sister. Number 1, celebration. Number 2, aversion. I have an aversion to eating liver. Number 2, aversion. Number 3, exaggerate. Sometimes he has a habit to exaggerate his story when telling it. Number 3, exaggerate. Word number 4, precision. A surgeon has to have great precision when he is operating on someone. Number 4, precision. Number 5, education. The education you receive at Owen J. Roberts is a great one. Number 5, education. Number 6, confuse. Many times people confuse my sister and I since we look so much alike. Number 6, confuse. Number 7, pollution. It makes me sad how much pollution there is in our world. Number 7, pollution. Number 8, evaporate. After it rains, you can see the water evaporate from the ground when it is warm outside. Evaporate. Number 9, communication. Communication is an important part of a good teacher-student relationship. Number 9, communication. And number 10, cooperate. I like to cooperate with my other 5th grade teacher friends. Cooperate. I'm going to go back and repeat words 1 through 10 before moving on to our curveball words. Number 1, celebration. Number 2, aversion. Number 3, exaggerate. Number 4, precision. Number 5, education. Number 6, confuse. Number 7, pollution. Number 8, evaporate. Number 9, communication. And number 10, cooperate. Number 11, our first curveball word for this week is desperation. In her desperation, she just took any means of transportation that she could find. Desperation. And number 12, expulsion. If you get suspended too many times at school, there could be an expulsion. Again, number 11, desperation, and number 12, expulsion. That's it for this week in Word Study. I will see you next week.